In this video, I'll show you how to change the finishing move in Call of Duty Black Ops 7. All you have to do is launch the game and select Black Ops 7 from the Call of Duty homepage, and you should get to this section. Then select the multiplayer option, and then from here navigate to the operators section by using the R1 or the L1 button. And let's say, for instance, this is your operator. Simply select the customize option on your controller, and then you should see two sections. So there's the operator skin and the finishing move. So select finishing move, and you should see a couple of finishing moves that are currently available. So if you want to change to another finishing move, you can find the one that you'd like, and also you can select the preview and see a preview of how it looks like. And if that's the finishing move that you'd like, simply select the X button, and that will equip that particular finishing move. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.